Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I got a really nice 2010 Yamaha Raider I want to show you. This bike has an 1854cc air-cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. It's got these little engine guard bars mounted on it here. That's a nice little upgrade. Upgraded foot pegs, the heel relief. Factory exhaust, set up for 2-up riding. Pretty nice little graphic on here. Looks like some wax left on there. Excellent tire on the rear. Noticed it had a couple of little scratches on it right back here on the rear fender. Nice passenger backrest. All the buttons and switches and levers, mirrors, everything looked real good on it. Beautiful red metallic paint. Real nice graphic. Lots of black powder coating. Front tire looks good. Bike comes with dual front disc brakes. It's had a short detachable windshield added to it. Kind of gives it a little racy look. Help protect you from some bugs too. Let's fire this baby off. It's got 18,905 miles on it. Factory exhaust makes it pretty quiet. I think I see some reflection of some lights up under there. Yeah, got little lights under there. I didn't notice that a while ago. Probably got some. Yeah, it's got some. I see the reflection in the rocker box cover. Got some up under there. Some up here on the front. Bike runs really good. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranty options too. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. And you can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We ran this one through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to go. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.